of course, I just want to say thank you sa bahay at family ko, ang Sparkle. Maraming salamat po sa opportunity na to na I can be an inspiration to others. At mapakilala ko yung sarili ko sa mundo. And of course, happy 75th anniversary to GMA. I love you guys and thank you for having me.
Parang ako nakikilala. Kaya, because of BBB, now people see me. Now people appreciate me for me, which is really nice. And kung nasa labas ako, nagugulat ako whenever I'm in the mall or in the road. Everyone's gonna be like, uy, si Joshua BBB. Kaya natutuwa ako na nakikilala nila ako sa pangalan ko, hindi lang sa pangalan ng character ko. And of course, I'm so thankful for GMA, for accepting me back. Kasi 2016 I signed, and then umalis ako bigla all of a sudden, and now I came back and they still wanted me. Kaya maraming salamat po for letting me be here. Kasi gusto ko talaga ipakita yung sarili ko sa mundong ito. Memorable. Everything, all of it. But siguro one particular thing talaga na naalala ko when I was team leader, task leader with Cyril pati si Tony. Hindi ko makalimutan yun kasi that was the first time na twice in a row kami nanalo. And it was just such a good feeling na nanalo kami two weeks in a row. So may budget kami, weekly budget, for 2 weeks straight. So we had food, so it was good, you know.